drops on the glass. Cold drops on the glass, like stars in a cup. You said you were tired, and the room breathed quietly slower. The darkness seems to sit next to you, on the edge of unspoken words, and I stand there alone, counting the cracks in the ceiling. Like stars in a cup, thoughts slowly sink into silence, like dust in the night. And outside the window, the pale light somewhere moves away without a sound, and I stand there alone, counting the cracks in the ceiling. You said you were tired, and the room breathes quietly slower. The darkness seems to sit next to you, on the edge of unspoken words, and I stand there alone, counting the cracks in the ceiling. Cold drops on the glass, like stars in a cup. Thoughts slowly sink into silence, like dust in the night. And outside the window, the pale light somewhere moves away without a sound, and I stand there alone, counting the cracks in the ceiling. Don't go out tonight while the rain is knocking on the window, while our time is trembling. Don't let everything fall apart, even in the quietest darkness. I know we can still find each other. And I stand there